Good morning. Happy spring. It is indeed the first day. It arrives officially at 12:15. So, that's a bit of happiness. And we've got that snow and rain moving in from south to north. We've been talking about the complicated part of this storm system in the sense that, it's tracking from south to north. So it's going to mean different things for different areas is the truth of the matter. Winter weather advisories in place for those of you in Canton, Mansfield, Dover, New Philly, Cleveland, Akron, west into Sandusky, Lorain, Elyria, you're not included, east into Chardon, not included. But there's a lot of color on radar, and we're seeing everything from rain to snow to sleet and freezing rain this morning far to the south. It's going to take some time for this to move in, and I think by midday we'll start to see some scattered precipitation. Those of you that are south will start to see some scattered precipitation. Today in general is going to be pretty quiet for most of you, so that's why I don't want you to think, okay, it's really going to be, very hard for us to commute home from work and school. I think today should be easier than tomorrow. That's the truth of the matter. So here we are at 7 a.m. and it's pretty uneventful for every single one of you. Maybe a few wet snowflakes around Dover's south end there. But notice how it all stays just kind of south even through early afternoon, nothing going on. Then we get into dinner time and it's still pretty much scattered to the south. By 7, 8 o'clock, though, we start to see things move a little further northward and we get into these scattered snow chances. We're seeing pretty steady snows by the time you're in bed. So that's going to be the tricky part, is overnight while you're asleep, snowing in Canton, snowing in Akron, Worcester, Mansfield, and even those of you closer to the lakeshore will see some scattered snow. It's just going to be more moderate to steady the further south you are. So that's where we have the possibility of seeing the most of it. All that being said, it moves out tomorrow afternoon, and then we'll start to talk about some brighter days ahead. But let's take a look at accumulation. Now, this is one computer forecast opinion, but what I can tell you, and the takeaway from this, is that the heavier amounts are without question going to be for those of you away from the lakeshore. And this already updated from just 30 minutes ago when we were showing some light amounts. We're showing nothing right now downtown Cleveland by later tomorrow. And it looks like, those of you that are further inland will be talking as much as 3+. And that might not seem like a lot to you, but the fact that this is going to be overnight while you're asleep into tomorrow, that's the thing. Upper 30s today, that mix developing from south to north. Snow into your Wednesday moving out, will clear out. And then how about that gorgeous weekend ahead? 40 Saturday, 50s Sunday, and sunshine.